Well, picture this. It's the 25th of the month. You just received your salary. 180,000 naira. You feel rich for exactly 48 hours. You pay rent installment. 50,000 naira gone. Data, subscriptions, transport, another 40,000 naira gone. Weekend flex, you deserve it. 25,000 naira gone. Then suddenly, it's the 10th of the next month, and you're checking your account like, wait, where did all my money go? Now you're borrowing. Now you're avoiding calls. Now you're saying things like, once I earn more, everything will be fine. Whoa, if that sounds like your life, that's not bad luck. That's a system problem. And today, we're going to fix it, thinking things will remain unchanged. Wait a minute. Welcome to Daily Signature. Here, we break down personal finance and money management, the channel where success leaves a signature. Career growth and development, smart investing, salary and credit management, stock insights, and practical strategies to help you build wealth. So subscribe now, like this video, share it with someone who needs it, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss powerful insights that could transform your financial life and career. Because here on Daily Signature, we don't just talk about success, we help you create your signature in it. Now, let's get into today's video. Simple money mistakes that keeps Nigerian youth broke. And here's the thing, if a government can go broke, why do you think you can't before 30? If banks are going cashless and building systems to control money, why are you still financially unstable before 30? Looks harsh, right? But stay with me. If you're someone who is bankrupt, financially embarrassed, or simply wants more financial knowledge, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Because what I'm about to show you, most people never realize until it's too late. Mistake number 1, spending first, thinking later. Here's the thing. Most Nigerian youths don't have a money problem, they have a priority problem. You earn 150,000 naira. Instead of thinking, how do I grow this money? You think, what can I buy immediately? Now let's break it down. Salary, 180,000 naira. Expenses, planned 80,000 naira. Reality spending, 140,000 naira. Savings, 10,000 naira, if anything remains. Here's what most people don't realize. Money doesn't disappear. It is assigned, either consciously or unconsciously. And when you don't assign it, your emotions will. The psychology kicks in. Stress you spend. Happiness you spend. Boredom you spend. Now you might be thinking, but Sarah, life is hard. Let me enjoy small. I get it. But here's the truth. Enjoyment without structure leads to regret. It's like eating your entire food budget in one day, then starving for the rest of the week. Mistake number 2, ignoring small money leaks. Looks small, but deadly. Let's calculate something simple. 2,000 naira daily spending on snacks and soft drinks, data top-ups and recharge cards, Bolt rides you didn't need. That's 2,000 naira times 30 days equals 60,000 naira monthly. 60,000 naira times 12 months equals 720,000 naira yearly. Whoa, that's almost $1 million naira gone. This is where it gets really interesting. You don't feel poor because of one big expense. You feel poor because of repeated small decisions. Here's an analogy. A bucket doesn't empty because of one hole. It empties because of many tiny leaks, and most people fail to consider this as important. Let me ask you these questions. 1. Why do you think people remain broke before 30? A. Because they don't earn enough. B. Because they don't manage what they earn. C. Because life is unfair. 2. What is more important in your 20s? A. Looking successful. B. Building financial security. C. Impressing others. 3. What is the biggest mistake with money? A. Not earning enough. B. Spending without planning. C. Saving too much. Mistake number 3. Living for appearances. Let's be honest. Nigeria is a pressure environment. Instagram says, you must dress well, you must eat out, you must live soft life. So what do? You earn 120,000 naira, but your lifestyle looks like 300,000 naira. Now let's do the math. Rent, 400,000 naira yearly. Phone upgrade, 500,000 naira. Outings, 20,000 naira weekly. That's already over 1 million naira yearly. On a 120 naira/month salary, 1.44 m naira yearly. Meaning, you're living at the edge of financial collapse. Now you might be thinking, but I don't want to look broke. Here's the truth. Looking rich and being rich are two different things. One is for people, the other is for peace of mind. Mistake number 4, no emergency plan. Here's what most people don't realize. Life doesn't warn you before it hits you. Medical emergency, job loss, family responsibility, and when it happens, you borrow. Let's say you borrow 100,000 naira at 20% interest. You now owe 120,000 naira. You pay it slowly, but life hits again. Another 100,000 naira. Before you know it, you're trapped in a cycle. Debt becomes your lifestyle, and psychologically, you start believing, this is normal, but it's not. It's financial suffocation. Mistake number 5, no investment mindset. Here's the biggest mistake of all. You think saving is enough, but saving alone will never make you wealthy. Let's compare. you save 50,000 naira monthly. After 1 year, 600,000 naira, but inflation in Nigeria, around 20% plus. That means your money is losing value. So in reality, you're not growing. You're standing still. Now imagine investing that same 50,000 naira. Even at a modest return, your money starts working. This is where it gets really interesting. Rich people don't work for money. Money works for them. The 5 solutions, what you should do immediately. Solution number 1, pay yourself first. Before spending anything, save at least 20%. Example, salary, 150,000 naira. Save 30,000 naira immediately. Then live on 120,000 naira. Simple. Solution number 2, track every naira for 30 days. Write down everything you spend. You'll be shocked, because awareness creates control. Solution number 3, reduce lifestyle pressure. Here's the thing, not everything you see is real. Focus on stability over show, growth over impression. Solution number 4, build emergency fund, 10,000 naira monthly. Target 3 to 6 months of expenses. This gives you breathing space. Solution number 5, start investing early, even if it's small. 10,000 naira, 20,000 naira. Consistency matters more than amount, because time is your biggest advantage. Let me tell you a simple story about George. George earned 200,000 naira monthly. He lived large, clubs, gadgets, trips. By 29, he had nothing saved. Then he lost his job. Within 3 months, he was borrowing from people he used to impress. Now compare with Michael. Same salary, but Michael saved 40,000 naira monthly, invested small, lived below his means. By 29, he had over 2 million naira saved and invested. Same income, different mindset, different outcome. Final insight. Here's what most people don't realize. Being broke before 30 is not about income, a curse. It's about behavior, and behavior is driven by emotions, environment, habits. Change those, and your life changes. If this opened your eyes even a little, hit the subscribe button, because your financial future depends on what you learn today. And give this video a thumbs up if this helped you, because someone else needs to hear this truth. Let me ask you these questions. 1. Why do you think people remain broke before 30? A. Because they don't earn enough. B. Because they don't manage what they earn. C. Because life is unfair. 2. What is more important in your 20s? A. Looking successful. B. Building financial security. C. Impressing others. 3. What is the biggest mistake with money? A. Not earning enough. B. Spending without planning. C. Saving too much. Write your answer in the comment section below. The first winner will receive a fantastic prize from this channel. Looks, your 20s are not for showing off, they are for building foundations. Because if you get this wrong, your 30s will be survival. But if you get this right, your 30s will be freedom. And that decision starts today. If this opened your eyes even a little, hit the subscribe button, because your financial future depends on what you learn today. And give this video a thumbs up if this helped you, because someone else needs to hear this truth.